Hey guys, it's Will. Hopefully you're having a great day today. In this video, we're going to be going over how we traded Rocket Lab stock, and I'm going to break down this trade for you guys. We just wrapped up our live trading inside of StockMate. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single day at Market Open, definitely check it out. We just called out some of these stocks yesterday. You can see 19 hours ago, top earnings for this week. And we went into some of the stocks that are reporting earnings. After hours today, we have Micron Technology, or I'm sorry, is that after hours Wednesday? And then we have some other stocks so you guys can see these exciting earnings we have inside of StockMate along with other resources. One thing that we looked at outside of the Rocket Lab stock was the Micron Technology that we called out yesterday. I mean, it doesn't look too crazy when I look at the longer term chart, but I mean, basically this morning it sold off a little bit at market open, which would have been a perfect entry before going up what is now to 6.2% on the day with room to run. It went from $100 a share the earlier last week to what was $110 currently. So if you guys want to take advantage of those opportunities and get some resources, check out that second link down below. You can get started for just $1 a day throughout this upcoming quarter in 2021 or 2025. Wow, that was weird. All right, Rocket Lab. This is what we traded today. We're up $242 so far on the day. What I was looking at essentially was Friday. If you guys tuned in, you could see all these recent orders here. I could actually go through what was Friday, my buys and my sells. We bought SoundHound at 1484. We sold at 1531. That was a nice profit. Then we went to Rocket Lab, bought at 2336, and then we sold some at 2336. Sorry, we bought at 2324, sold at 2338. Then we bought at 2405, and we sold at, what was that? Oh yeah, we got out a little bit earlier at 2405 again. So no loss there. Got back in 2416. So you might say, Will, how did you know to get in? There's two things. Number one, there's this clear consolidation on Rocket Lab. It's been bouncing up and down between the support and resistance. And outside of that, when it was breaking above, it broke above, retested, continued up, got rejected. And so today I saw it sell off right at market open down here at $23 and then push back up before retesting this previous resistance that we've been seeing for so long. And that's when I actually bought. And then it continued up for another couple of percentage points, and we're up $231 so far today, about 3% across our other investments on the portfolio so far today. So that's how it's looking. And then why we bought Rocket Lab was not just technicals. We could look at all these levels for sure, but even if let's just hide all the drawings. Let's just take a look at the 1 year and really how this thing looks. I mean, this uptrend has been so consistent. We've seen it pull back from $28 down to 24. I have a friend that works at Rocket Lab. He's one of my best friends I've had since middle school. And literally, we were talking and getting into Rocket Lab right here. It is actually right also when he was getting hired, around $3.50, which is really cool time to get into Rocket Lab. But on the trading side of things, when we're looking at what we do on the day to day, it was the technicals, right? So it was the right news, but it was also the right chart, but it was also the right news. So you guys might not be aware about Rocket Lab. It's not their satellites. It's a company called Kineis, I believe it is. But if we look here at Rocket Lab, they recently sent 200 satellites to orbits. Okay, and their liftoff of the 5-satellite Ice Baby mission occurred on Sunday, November 24th. So they're continuing to launch these. Really cool view there. They're continuing to launch these. I believe it's Kineis, and these are constellation of satellites basically that are going to provide really fast data connectivity, really fast, possibly internets but also for tracking and things like that, you could see. I'd like to open it up so you could see kind of their company mission. But we're talking about competing with SpaceX. We're talking about essentially looking at a company that's, building out the infrastructure in space to accommodate innovations and communication around the globe. And so they do track to locate your assets, monitor and optimize activities from the satellite. Be alert, reduce risks. I'm assuming they're saying something along the lines of maybe fire hazard there. It's for environment, agriculture, maritime infrastructures, transport, energy infrastructures. I'm assuming could be related to satellite internet as well. I mean, that's collect data. And so, yeah, so it says 85% of the Earth's surface is not covered by terrestrial networks, and they have a constellation of 25 nanosatellites that they got up there. And part of that was because they're working with Rocket Lab, right? That's the main reason. So Rocket Lab is providing a lot of value to the world, and I think that's something I really love to see. They're a space company. If you guys want to learn how to invest in space, how to invest in AI, in quantum computing, or just really the frontier of tech in the world, whether it's semiconductor companies, the microchips that are powering some of this amazing tech that's coming out, or what have you, or some of the AI companies, then check out that first link down below. I'm launching in 4 days from now. We are revealing this revolutionary new system for capitalizing on AI stocks. And so it's my AI stock trading system. It's coming out very soon. If you want to get on the first access list, it's totally free. Check out that first link down below and join right now. Just click the first link to get started. So that will do it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you all. Again, if you want to watch me trade live at Market Open, check that second link. And if I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.